Got installer Timothy Smith about to install a piece of 5-inch dark bronze gutter. Not the best working conditions out here today. Another day out here in Cary, Lafayette, getting it done. 5-inch seamless gutters. Got these hangers on every 2 foot. Got install manager Darren Dean's on site, making sure these gutters are adjusted, hung properly. Got a lot of construction work going on out here. That's it, check it out, BK Roofing and Gutters. Got the boys out here working. Some of the stuff we've already hung today. Still got a lot of landscaping going on. A little bit of everything. Beautiful stone work there. Got nice 3x4 downspout. Nice and bright sun. Got some more stuff hung here. Getting everything prepped for the landscaping. A lot of trees and bushes going on. There's another nice large 3x4 downspout. Outside miter, inside miter. Turn the corner. Got this section right here hung already. Another 3x4 downspout coming in the stone. Check out later for another video.